Yes, guys, this is Niraj sir. I am discussing in next 5 minutes or so your entire paper pattern for your bookkeeping and accountancy subject for your HSC board exam. I have been teaching HSC board students from last 25 years or so. So I know exactly what is to be done, how we should plan so that we only and only give ourselves all the time in the world to complete the paper comprehensively and score at least 80 marks. Because yes, you guys, you're going to write only 80 marks paper. The other 20 marks out of 100 marks is for your submission of project and stuff like that, assignments and all. So that you will gather from your college. Let's not talk about that. Coming back to 80 marks paper, your first question consisting of 20 marks. Now this is a dangerous question because this is your objective type question. Like that, there are 10 different combinations A to J. But out of these 10 combinations, they will ask any 4. Each question will carry 5 marks each. So 5 4s are 20. Here there is no internal option. The 10 options that you would have, out of that they are going to ask any 4 only, mind it. You are not going to ask, they will not be asking you 10 and you have to attempt any 4. Don't misunderstand that way. They will ask any 4. But any 4 out of what type of questions? That's what I am discussing. So A could be select the correct option. B could be give one word. C could be true or false. D could be find the odd one. E could be complete the sentence. F could be answer in one sentence. G could be do you agree or disagree. H could be calculate the following. Now this will include calculation of due dates, ratios, etc. Basic mathematical calculations. Then I could be specimen of bill of exchange, format of bill of exchange, and J could be complete the following table. Last time, to avoid the confusion, I am telling you, these are the 10 different types of questions that they can ask. Right? They are not going to ask 10 questions out of which you have to attempt any 4 as first question. ये combination में से only 4 they will ask. You have to attempt all 4. Each question will carry 5 marks. That's how you get 5 4s are 20. So our rule is we should crack this question in first 25 minutes. And please make sure that you are investing time on this only, because for solving this objective type questions, you don't require great amount of concentration. First 10-15 minutes, there is a lot of disturbance in the examination hall. They will ask and collect your all tickets, signature, this, that. They will be distributing the paper. So there is a lot of disturbance. Plus you may not be belonging to that place. So you have to gather yourself. So in first 20-25 minutes, you can do that. You don't require highest level of concentration to solve objective type questions. The moment we complete our 25 minutes, we go to question number 2. Now question number 2 and question number 3 both will carry option, internal option. So question number 2, there will be 2 questions asked, one on admission or it could be retirement. Question number 3, there would be 1 question on dissolution or it could be 1 question on bill of exchange. Each question carrying 10 marks. मैंने 4 chapters का नाम दिया, which is for question number 2 and question number 3. Admission of a partner, retirement of a partner, dissolution of a partnership firm and bill of exchange. Now mind it, ये चारों का internal order कुछ भी तो रख सकते हैं. So a student, to be on the safer side, must know thoroughly any 3 chapters out of these 4 chapters. Any 3, not 2. Admission or return के बदले admission or dissolution पूछ लिया तो that's why I said you must know any 3 chapters out of 4. Yes guys, 10 marks, 10 marks. The time that you must take for completing this question is around 20 minutes. Correct? So 40 minutes we will consume. Then comes question number 4 and question number 5. That consists of 8 marks each. इसमें भी option होगा. Question number 4, 2 questions, any one you have to solve. Question number 5, 2 questions, any one you have to solve. Here there are 4 chapters. Issue of shares, death of a partner, computerized accounting and analysis of the financial statements. So basically analysis of the financial statement and computerized accounting ये कभी option नहीं है. एक theory है, non-accounting chapter है. So remember, here even if you do only issue of shares and death of a partner, you'll always survive. Yes, question number 4 carries 8 marks. Question number 5 carries 8 marks. The time that you will take to complete is around 15 minutes, 1-5. Question number 6 and question number 7, there is no option. It is absolutely compulsory. Question number 6 is your final accounts of NPO and question number 7 is partnership final accounts. Each carrying 12 marks. The time that I am giving for these two questions is 25 minutes each. Now, to summarize things in your mind, I complete my question number 1 in 25 minutes, question number 2 in 20 minutes, question number 3 also in 20 minutes, question number 4 in 15 minutes, question number 5 in 15 minutes, question number 6 is around 25 minutes, and question number 7 around 25 minutes. If I add all these minutes, it comes to only and only 145 minutes. Yes. And the time given to me is 180 minutes. That means I am still left with 35 minutes. Jago Mohan Pyare. If anybody after 12th standard exam says I knew the question but I did not have time, he is lying, he is completely unprepared, because any which ways with this time management you should complete the paper in less than 2.5 hours. So half an hour आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा है ही. वो हाफ एन आवर एक्स्ट्रा मिलने के बाद भी अगर कोई बच्चा बोलता है नहीं सर मेरा पेपर कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, तो बच्चा शायद हमारी प्रिपरेशन उस लेवल की नहीं थी जो जरूरी था. Well, I'm not giving any bhashan on how to study, where to study, what to study. This was just plain discussion on your paper pattern and the time that you need to spend, invest to complete each question. I will certainly come up with more videos, and I'm going to introduce Hum Hena series, how I have introduced already for our CA Foundation students. I will connect with you guys, wherein on each chapter I will come up with the synopsis and the main points to remember while solving the problem in the examination hall. Bye as of now. Bye guys. See you soon.